tardes. What's up guys, this is T.Trainer, your fitness trainer and personal coach, Basumenali, and you're watching Base Pure Impact. So today we are in Dr. Graham's homes and today is all about glutes and chest, nothing else. It's very easy, it's very simple, just a couple of few exercises, that's it. And it's quite effective for toning and shaping the chest or the breast and also forming the glutes, or famously known as bubble butt. For some exercises I'm going to show you both the normal and the advanced version, whichever you prefer to do it according to your strength. So let's begin. So we are done with today's glutes and chest workout routine. It's very easy, please try it. Try at least doing 3 to 4 sets between 15 to 20 reps. And trust me guys, it is going to work. Please do not lose hope. It's a human body, it will take time. Please have some patience and be consistent, because being consistent is key towards your transformation. Thank you for watching. I'm going to upload more videos soon. If you like this video, please share it, please do subscribe it and click on to the thumbs up. Muchas gracias por mirar. Hasta la próxima. This is T.Trainer and behind the lens we have Gyamcho T, Bhutia, and you're at Base Pure Impact. Ciao, bella ciao.